So in today's video, we are reviewing the Louis Vuitton fragrance L'Immensité. So this is the box that it's come in. Sorry, this is a replica from China. This is not the original. So let's do a review and a smell test, not a taste test. Let's do a smell test. The notes in this fragrance, ginger, grapefruit. It's been described as a fresh corporate scent, specifically for men. They say it's like an older gentleman fragrance. So let's get into the unboxing of this replica. So the original one, when I saw some other unboxing videos, it doesn't come with something like this outer kind of cover. It should open from the side, and inside, like the afternoon swim video I posted, there should be like some kind of white container inside which contains the fragrance bottle. It doesn't seem like that's the case here, so let's unbox this. Yeah, and there is no side opening. It does look like quite premium. Like if I had no clue that this was a replica fragrance, if someone gave me this, it does look genuine. Let's have a look at the bottom there. And this box does feel premium. It's got like a matte kind of texture. So it doesn't open from the side, it opens from the top. Yeah, the original one the box does not open like this. There's just like cardboard inside here. Okay, and there's like a really strong plastic smell coming from this box. It's very, very strong. Okay, so this is the bottle. I'm gonna put a video of an original bottle here on the screen as well, because I was in the Louis Vuitton store and I took a video of it. I think the lettering here is quite wide. That's one of the bigger giveaways. Yeah, so the font, I don't know, it just looks quite wide and squished. So that doesn't look right. But the color, I think the color is a bit too yellow compared to the one I saw in the store. It doesn't really look yellow on camera, but it is quite a yellow shade. So let's get into the smell. I'm not sure what's going on with this lid here, what this is. Okay, let's spray it. Okay. Okay, this doesn't smell anything like the original. This kind of just smells like petrol. I'm getting no citrusiness, I'm getting no ginger, no grapefruit smell. Maybe a slight citrusy scent, but it's like covered with like a petrol kind of smell. I'm not sure if I want to put this on my skin. I don't think this is going to last based on the other one. The afternoon swim barely lasted on my skin, so I think this will be the same. It does smell a bit stronger than the afternoon swim one, but it doesn't smell anything like the original L'Immensité. So yeah, buy this at your own caution. Obviously it'll look good on your fragrance shelf because, you know, the branding, the bottle design is kind of nice. Although I don't think this clear plastic part here is part of the original bottle. But it looks cool, but in terms of the smell, unfortunately this one does not deliver. Buy at your own risk. I think just go for the original or even a smaller sized sample bottle if you like this fragrance. Apparently this fragrance is in a lot of people's top 3. It's that good. And this one, it smells more feminine than like a masculine fragrance. So yeah, that's my review of this. I'll do an unboxing at some point in future of an original bottle of this. So keep an eye out for that video, subscribe if you can, and thanks for watching.